All right, sure. So, like I was saying, we have the major pair, we have the minor pair, and we have the exotic pair. So let's start with the major pair. The major pair is basically any pair that is crossing with the giant of the world, which is US dollars. So any pair you see that is crossing with dollars is known as the major pair. For example, we have we have Euro USD, Euro crossing what US dollar. Example, give me example of country money. Like the
Like
strong, what do you say?
AUD.
AUD, thank you very much. AUD, this is Australian dollars crossing with the US dollars. Any other person?
We also have the Canadian dollars too.
Eh?
CAD, Canadian dollar.
Yes, thank you very much. CAD crossing with the what? US dollars. So these are examples of major pairs. Which one again do we have?
You have the Great Britain pounds.
Thank you very much. My
The-
second, my second best pair. Yes, I mean
What about China currency?
China.
Abi?
What currency does China spend? Yen.
I think yen.
There is USD. There's USD JPY, but that's under minor pair. We'll get to that. Get to that. Sometimes people classify USD JPY as under major pair because it's crossing with this thing, but it is actually a minor pair. It's actually a minor pair. So we have CHF, Swiss francs crossing with the what? US dollars. Like the top. Then also, yes, the New Zealand dollars crossing with what? US dollars. So these are examples of the major pairs. These are examples of major pairs. So for the minor pair, we have these are the ones they are crossing each other. They are the pairs that are crossing each other. This is where you would get what is it called? You get the most traded pair, GBP, Great British pounds crossing the Japanese yen. You have USD JPY, that's US dollars crossing with the what? The Japanese yen. You would have what other pair? AUD card. Most American traders trade this pair a lot. You have Swiss francs crossing with the Japanese yen, JPY. Then there are so many minor pairs, but these are like the major pairs. We have so many, like so many. We have, yes, we have Euro GBP. Yes, the Euro. This is the Italian money crossing with the what? Crossing with the Great Britain pounds. So this is also a minor pair. Then we have what is it called? Um 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 uh there are so many. Then the exotic pairs, basically, they are the pairs that are very, very useless in the market. Like we don't used to even hear about them. For example, your country's currency, very useless. It's a very useless pair. So NG, NGN, USD. Yeah. It's a very useless pair. So pairs like that, they don't actually move like that. They are just always stagnant. They are known as the exotic pairs. So for example, let me show you how your country's Forex chart looks like. You will shame for your country. NGN USD, NGN USD. Very stupid markets. What is this?
Really?
It's your country's chart. This is your country's chart. This is how it looks like. So you
You know
can
they buy or sell go up.
it's not even they do anything, it's just there, like inconsistent and all. So examples of
Where did
pairs
they
like
trade this one
this.
like this by?
Examples of pairs like this are the exotic pairs that they don't even move at all. They are just there. They are just there. They're just
Almost
there.
people they trade this one at all.
No, 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 we don't. We don't. They don't. But I mean, in the bank, you would see them. They're always like this, showing that LED that is always on the top of Kini. This is what is always showing basically. The banks do trade it too, but we retail traders, we don't trade it. We don't trade it. Let me go back to my baby Euro USD. All right. So we are back at it. So yeah, we have the major pair, the minor pair, and the exotic
Exotic.
pairs. Yes. So those are the types of pairs. Then now let's now, like I said, I told you that Forex is one country buying against another, right?
Yes.
Exactly. So now let's now understand. If I'm moving too fast, please let me know, please.
No, we can continue.
Yes. Grace, are you understanding?
Yeah, yeah, I understand.
Because yeah, if you don't understand this basic, someone you are in for a long ride. All right. So let's now understand um let's now break this whole major, minor, whatsoever, blah blah. Let's just break it down. So I said Forex is basically the buying and selling of currencies against each other. Let me give you an example. Let me write this Euro USD out. Euro USD. Euro moving with the US dollars. Before you can say something is Forex, before you can say a pair is being traded, it has to entail two things. Currency pairs entails two things. The first is this one is known as the quote pair.
The what?
The quote, I'll write it out now, is known as the quote pair, while this one that is always at the end, JPY, is known as the what? The base pair. I'll write it out. This is known as the base pair. The base pair. Base. So quote and base. So for example, if I'm saying, Omo, I want trade Euro USD. If I say, for example, I say I want buy Euro USD. What I'm saying is I want this Euro, I want to buy Euro against US dollar. That means I am buying Euro. I am buying, I am buying my quotes, buying quotes, buying my quotes, and what? And selling my base. So if I'm saying, oh, I'm buying a coin, I'm going long. That means I'm buying. I want to buy one currency pair. That means I want to buy this quote. I want to buy euro. That means I'm saying, oh, euro is strong and dollar is weak. Do you understand? Are you understanding? Or you,
Yeah,
Yes,
or,
continue,
yes.
boss.
or you want me to come again?
No, continue, my boss.
Come again.
I should come again. All
Okay.
right. So I said in forex trading, we say two country comes together to form one currency pair, and I picked this euro USD. So this euro is known as the quote pair. Any pair coming first is known as the quote pair, and any pair that is at the back is known as the base pair. For example, this AUD USD, the quote pair is the what? Is the AUD, the Australian dollars, while the base pair is the what? Is the US dollars. Now let's now come to minor pair. This GBP, JPY, Great British Pounds, and the Japanese yen. The GBP is the what? Is the quote pair, and the JPY is the what? Is the base pair. Right. So now if I now want to say, oh, I've analyzed my market and my analysis is giving me buy. Maybe my analysis is giving me buy Euro USD. what this is simply telling me, what this is simply telling me is, what this is simply telling me is dollar is weak and what? And euro is what? Euro is strong. Are you feeling me?
Sure,
Yeah,
sure.
boss.
Sorry, sorry. So let's now give example. Let me give another example. If I'm saying sell GBP JPY, what do I mean? What do I mean? Someone should answer me.
So
If I say sell GBP JPY, what am I insinuating?
I think you're trying to buy the pounds and sell the
Yes,
Japanese
thank you very much.
peso.
I am buying the base because the base is strong, and I'm selling the quote because the quote is weak. So I am selling GBP because, sorry, because it is weak, and buying JPY because it is what? It is strong, strong, like Neil Armstrong. So this is just the basic. If they say, oh, Omo, I just analyze the market now, I won't go buy gold, or I won't go sell AUDCHF. That means dollar is falling. That means dollar is weak. Say, I just check my analysis now, I dey sell good. I dey sell good. That means what? That means dollar is strong. That means dollar is strong. Anytime you see that they are selling a base pair, that means the quote is weak. Sorry, the quote is weak, which is the GBP, and the base is strong, which is the JPY. Then let me now
sorry, I don't
come.
understand that part. Sorry.
You don't understand that part.
Yes, yes, yes. You
All right.
said anytime
Anytime you
you
sell
are
a pair, right?
yeah.
You sell a pair because the quote is weak and the base is strong. Are you listening?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
And you buy a pair because the quote is strong and the base is what? Is weak.
Okay.
Can you go over that again?
What about what?
Like what you just said about one being the kind of this one you're telling us you're buying.
I'm not hearing you.
I feel like, can you come over what you just said right now?
Oh, yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure. When you want to buy a currency pair, or when you want to buy a currency, or when you want to buy, what is insinuating is that your quote pair, which is, for example, I said two country currencies come together to make quote and base, right? So whenever you're, for example, you are buying Euro USD, what you are insinuating is that Euro is strong and the dollars is what? Is weak, which is the quote is strong and the base is what? Is weak. Same thing, reverse it in sales. If you say, oh, I want to sell Euro USD, that means the quote is what? Is weak and the base is what? Is strong. You will need it if you want to trade news. Keep this thing in the head. Are you feeling me?
Yes,
Okay, you
boss.
sell a currency when
You said,
the base is strong and the quote is weak, right?
thank you very much. Yes.
Okay.
And you buy a currency when the what? When the quote is strong
It's
and
strong and the base is
oh, thank you very much. You deserve one as well. All right. Is everybody cleared?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Active,
Yeah, yeah.
active, active, active. So now we've talked about what Forex is. We've talked about the types of currency pairs. we've talked about what is it called? Differentiating the base and currency pairs, how to differentiate, and we've talked about what it means to buy a currency pair and what it means to sell a currency pair. Now, I was telling you guys about the different types of trading that we have.
Yeah.
Now, let me now give you examples under them because you will need it. Me like this, there's nothing me I know the trade. As long as, but I just stick to Euro USD, but I can analyze any market. I can go to stocks and analyze what Tesla is doing. I can go to Tesla now, analyze Tesla. Okay, Tesla wants to buy, Tesla wants to sell, Tesla wants to do everything. But it's just that I don't, the type of stock this thing that I do is I hold for long. I don't do short-term stock trading. I hold for long. That one is another class for another day. If you are interested in stock trading, I can add you to the group. That was like future investment and all of that. Let's go back to my baby Euro USD. Euro USD. All right. Active. Active like a thief in the night. Um, Afo,
I agree with you, boss.
please give me one type of trading I said we have.
Type of trading.
Yes.
We said we have the forex trading, we have the stock trading,
Yes.
we
Thank you.
have the indices, we
Yeah,
have the
Jesus. Guys, we'll have to end this class first. Then I'll resend
okay,
another link to you guys so you can join. Now it's up.
okay, boss.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.